Hurghada, Egypt, gateway to the Red Sea. After a briefing from our guide, the dive team set sail to explore its reefs and wrecks. More than 2,000 kilometers long, its crystal clear waters link Europe with the Persian Gulf and Asia. Every year, it attracts thousands of divers from around the world. The Red Sea is one of the wonders of the underwater world. It is home to more than 1,000 species of fish and countless types of coral. Many are found nowhere else. Some fish, like angelfish and butterfly fish, dazzle in bright colours. Others, like the dangerous scorpionfish and stonefish, are masters of disguise. They lay silently on the seabed, waiting to pounce on their prey. Large moray eels lurk in the shadows. They wait until nightfall before coming out of the shadows to stalk their prey under cover of darkness. Lionfish cruise the reef. Their venomous spines ward off predators. Our divers relax between dives. As darkness falls, they prepare to explore the reefs at night. And while some fish sleep, many creatures come out to feed. The Red Sea is a graveyard for ships, and as dawn breaks, our team makes ready to explore its numerous wrecks. The reefs that are beautiful enough to attract divers from around the world are the final resting place for dozens of ships. Ships like the Chrysula Cain, the Janus D, the Dunraven, the Ulysses and Thistlegorm. Some of the wrecks have sunk more than 100 years ago. Their rusting hulks are now homes to corals and sea life. Our dive team explores the innards of the wrecks. Some still contain the remnants of their cargoes. These armoured cars are the leftover from an Arab-Israeli war. Other wrecks, like the Thistlegorm, were sunk in World War II. It's one of the Red Sea's top dive attractions. A dazzling world can be found under the surface of the sea. With one step, you can be part of it.